Hello people, I'm using OpenToonz application. I would like to show you how I will be managing my new created scene in this program, because we got by default new project that is located by default in hard drive, local hard drive C, but we can quickly make our project custom, which will belong only to us by excluding this, because all files will have to be saved in a specific catalog, which I will use probably here, because this will be new catalog for our new project. I'm not going to draw as good as possible, but I will quickly show you to manage your custom new project by excluding sandbox, and because by default is located and managed by sandbox. I just selected my new catalog, and now I will have to create, for example, Apple. Also pay attention, it's up to you how do you want to draw, because I now use the raster level, not this one, and this one, because that one is demanding. That one doesn't support my paint brushes. This is why I selected that one by default. Now we go to general, we choose the custom, and our catalog called Apple. Make sure you will quit after application and you will open once again your application. This is quite important, because by doing that, OpenToonz knows that this is your default new catalog. I published before tutorial, but I was a little bit like chaotic, not really talking very specific about certain things. Now you go to File, Project Management, New Project. As you can see, Project Root has become our new created custom project. You have to add your old files. Append tells you add external files to that catalog. This is important. All of it what you see, you will add to that catalog. But make sure you specify path. If you see those dots Apple, you just select that one. It seems to be working better, that application. Also, because I'm using hard drive connected to docking station to USB 3.0, because you can run Windows from external hard drive by using application Win to USB. I'm not using SATA connection, because sometimes you face problems with SATA cables. It is running a lot faster. Now my program is running quite fast. You have to do the same. As you can see, we are appending all files to that catalog. Now we will be drawing something, I mean Apple. It doesn't look like apple, it looks like tomato. Also we have our library, but you have to select one of the brushes. Seems to be working a lot faster than it used to be. Quite fast comparing to my previous compilation. This is because I'm using external hard drive. We change opacity. If you want to reset settings, click that bin, apply, and now you restore the settings of the brush. On this left corner, we can change the color, maybe green. I will check my brush, but if you want to paint that, we have to move this level. We have to add a color level, exactly the same level. Coloring level. You don't need more, because I just need to paint inside. Where is this located? I will have to make sure this will be in the same catalog. Come on, OpenToonz. Sometimes you have to wait a little bit too long. Sorry if you had to wait. Unfortunately, that's the program. Sometimes it seems to be a little bit too slow. We have coloring level now. Because you can use different brush. Also radius, we will adjust. You have to hit apply. Little bit bigger brush. We also have smudge brushes. I would like to show you. Also onion skin. I think now after doing that you can use option save all. You can also locate for your color palettes. You have got option like this. If you see this, don't worry. Come on, OpenToonz. Why this disappeared? Sorry for that. Sometimes this doesn't react as fast as possible. You have to check your main catalog. Don't worry if lines disappear. They have to fix that small issue. Unfortunately, I don't know why this is happening. Now you see your all external separate files located in our catalog. Very, very important, people. We have raster drawing palette, my colors. If you want to access your custom color, it's not visible yet, but you can search for your palettes. This is my custom palette. Unfortunately, I don't know why this is not why this didn't appear straight away. My colors. By left mouse button you can drag this and you have your custom brushes. Now I will show you onion skin how to adjust as quick as possible. In preferences you go to onion skin. The higher value, the more transparent. If you hit enter, as you can see, we have to use the in paper thickness higher value. If you don't like that color, you can quickly change for something else. Maybe little bit green olive color. Oh, you can see the difference now. Oh, that value, that color is perfect. It's up to you, of course. How do you want to adjust? We now have additional options. Sometimes you have to quit application to make changes when you set up. When you tell OpenToonz to locate to FMPG codec, because you need that. to be able to render animation. Okay, FMEG, you locate to catalog bin because we have exe file which will be used by OpenToonz. Unfortunately, after doing that, you need to restart your OpenToonz program. I showed you everything because this is important. Don't worry, I tell you, don't worry about this, because this will come up again. We will discard the changes because we saved already. Oh no, something shouldn't come up, but I didn't worry about this because I saved my scene, so I don't have to worry to import, because I got all external files already saved on my hard drive. OpenToonz was giving me warning because I wanted to fix something. You don't have to worry about loading scene file because you have got your files. Sometimes OpenToonz tells you this project does not this thing does not belong to any project. Because it tells you this because you didn't append missing files. You have to append to your main project all separate files. Scene file, level file. Actually, we don't use raster level, but we got that file. We also have that file. Everything what I appended is important to be able to load the scene. I hope you like my new video. I probably didn't talk about last thing. I really wanted to talk about a smudge brush, but I have to check how large my video is. Okay, I could talk. I could really tell you how to use the smudge brush engine. Ah, ugly. But I would have to use a brush to color my apple to paint. What I could do instead of showing you before I paint this, I will add extra brush. One of them, which is my favorite. That one I could use. We have to consider a couple of options. Opacity. I will change radius brush. That value should be okay. Hardness I will decrease. Gabs per radius. Actually, this is important. There is one option which you should like. Option is called jitter, one of my favorite. This will give you effects like this. But jitter I will decrease little bit. As you can see, now we have nice cool effect for painting. You can mix dark colors and make beautiful. For example, if you paint apple and you create dark colors here, like apple smiling. Okay, anyway, hopefully you like my video, and don't forget to overwrite your palette, or you can save us. Okay, see you, have a nice day.